Hey guys, this is Asha from ashatechnologies.com, and today in this video I will show you how to use an Google Assistant with your Geo phone. So let's get started. So recently Google has launched an Google for India. In that event Google has told to launch an Google Assistant on Geo phone, and now they have been launched the Google Assistant. Now it is available for Geo phone. To get an Google Assistant, just enable your internet and the Google Assistant. There is an update will become, just install that update and you can get an Google Assistant with your Geo phone. And to use it, just go to Assistant and allow your microphone, given permission to allow a microphone. And whenever I'm trying to set and first time it does not recognizing my voice. And let's try it again.
Who is Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India.
Now you can see that the Google Assistant has perfectly answered and the voice is also the same. And that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you in the next one.